What makes us different? Where do I begin?
At Compass, we've always taken a manufacturing approach.
Speed to market is the most important factor for our client base, and it's our number one value add to our clients.
Our role is to design systems that don't just meet today's needs, but also ready for what comes next.
The biggest difference is our prototype.
Our goal is to change the narrative in the industry.
This level of flexibility is unparalleled in the marketplace.
We come to these communities to invest. We want to be here for 100+ years.
We embraced a data center coming in for the next 50 years, for the next 100 years of really growing with us as a community.
The number one thing that lights my fire is knowing that each person that's here has this opportunity, this moment to go out further and impact the world and other folks around us.
This is the fun part.
Continuous improvement often takes failure.
Not only do we embrace failure, but we pay people bonuses to screw up around here.
It's like hundreds, even thousands of 1% incremental improvements.
We're definitely not trying to do a better version of something. We're really trying to do a different version.
Okay. It's a very unique model in our space.
At the beginning, I thought it was a scam.
You can rely on people and that people can rely on you.
I love our community, and I love what data centers are going to allow us to do to improve their quality of life.
Compass had the vision to help us create a training center that would be a center of excellence for Texas.
We've been so blessed by this industry that's given us so much, and this is our opportunity to give back.
We're the good guys.
Boom.
The record is wonderful, but fine as it is, it can be made still better.
That mix, that advent, that future condition, nobody knows what it's going to look like.
At the end of the day, we're really the infrastructure setting the stage for the digital transformation that continues to go on in so many parts of our world.
We're continuing to develop solutions that future-proof the way that we can do things.
And our goal is not only to go there, but to thrive there.
Different.